Hey everyone, welcome to this month's market update. It is August, summer 2023. I want to give you a quick update on the Orange County, Southern California market and what's happening. So let's start off with the rates. We had some good news over the past couple of weeks. Inflation numbers are down. The rates have been trending down a bit since then, which is great. And we hope that this continues happening. And I think that's been the trend since beginning of the year, or the expectation, not the trend, but the expectation since beginning of the year, where towards middle or end of the year, we were saying that the rates are going to be considerably lower than where they started off the year. We still haven't hit that. We're still pretty close to where we started the year off, but the trend is going down, which is great. And then the numbers of the inflation that came out a couple of weeks ago, that's also very good news for interest rates in general. Now, what's happening on the ground here in Orange County and in Southern California? Still multiple offers, still a very hot market favoring sellers, and the reason still remains very low inventory. Inventory is still hovering here in Orange County just under 2,300, very much a flat line over the past month, hasn't changed by much. And demand it's gone down slightly versus last month, but that's pretty typical, and we covered that in last month's video, because more people are out of town, more people are on vacation, there's less activity during summer. We've seen it with our clients that are traveling, that are doing things with family. So it puts house buying or house hunting on the back burner. There are still a lot of people buying homes, but it's just relatively less than last month. So this should stabilize coming into September, but the demand is still strong. We're still seeing multiple offers on properties that are priced reasonably well, and that are not needing as much work, which is very important to today's buyers. So if you're a seller, this is really important to keep into consideration, that when you're putting your home on the market, you want to make sure that it's as turnkey as possible. Sellers, the buyers don't want to do much work. Days on market, as you'll see on this graph, are way less than last year, and that's a reflection of the supply. Again, very robust market that we have this year going on, and the demand versus supply all the way up to 1.5 price point, there's more supply, more demand than supply. It only starts inverting above the $1.5 million mark, and above 2 million is really where you see things take. It's a different market. It's where more of a balanced market. The days on market are way higher, so it's not as hot of a seller's market. What does this all mean if you are a buyer or a seller in this market? So if you're buying, I know you're still competing with other buyers. You're probably heading into multiple offer scenarios. So you just need to make sure that you're writing good offers. You are writing strong offers, not just the price. And again, we've covered that many times before, but your terms, the contingencies, your closing period, your everything that you are including in your offer is working to your favor. If you're a seller, still market's really hot, great time to sell your home. The sooner the better, obviously, because demand does drop as we continue going into the fall and winter, just the seasonal cycle of things. But very good market if you are looking to sell. Couple of things that you want to make sure you continue to do is, again, like I said, make sure the property is in as good condition as possible. And that's where we come in. That's where we help you, tell you where to invest the money, what's going to give you a good return, what's not. So this is where you need to work with the professional to prepare your home. And then the second thing is price it really well. You don't want to price yourself out of the market too competitive, too high to scare away buyers. You want more of the feeding frenzy. And again, that's where we come in. We'll advise you on pricing strategy and how to get as much interest in your listing as possible. If you are looking to invest, it's still a good time. I know rates are higher than most investors are looking for, but it's still a good time. Deals are not as available or as much as they were out there in the past couple of years, but there are still deals out there, and it's more about the equity, more about long-term growth. So if this is something you're interested in, please reach out to us. We are always working with investors and finding them good deals in different submarkets depending on their goals. Have a great day, and reach out to us if we can be of any help to you guys. I'll speak to you soon.